So most welcome this Path and Scope channel. Write down a program. Write a program. Input a electricity bill. What electricity bill? We have create a PyCharm editor in Windows. So let's start. C name is equal to input. C name is equal to input. Enter enter the consumer name. Enter the consumer name. So now next line. Bill number. Bill number is equal to bill number is equal to input, and now next this line, enter the bill number. So now next line, you have for this Pathoscope channel new, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Unit is equal to int, which means input. In input, enter the unit, enter the unit. Amount is equal to amount is equal to 0. No, next line, if unit is less than is equal to 100, amount is equal to 500. Oh, sorry, amount is equal to 500. And now if unit is less than 100 and unit is equal to 200, amount is equal to 500 plus unit minus 100, and now into 4.50. So we have next line, elif unit is less than 200 and unit is greater than equal to 300, amount is equal to 500 plus. So you have new for this channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification. Python Scope channel, basic to high level programming language. In this Python Scope channel you learn easily. Now see the 5.50 plus unit minus 110 into 4.50. Okay, so now next line, else and next line, amount is equal to 500 plus amount is equal to 500 unit, yes, unit minus 200 and into 5.50 plus unit minus 110 into 4.50 plus unit minus 300 into 8.00. Print consumer name, and comma C name. comma cname, and bill bill number is equal to comma bill number, print bill number, and now print total amount. Total amount, print total amount is equal to comma amount. So friends, we have learned only 20 line code path and scope. So we have get output, bill number, bill number, error, line 3 instead. So line 3 bill number. So start, enter the consumer name John, enter the bill number UK 4521, enter the unit 500. So consumer name John, bill number UK 4512, and total amount 5505. So friends, this is Python channel. You are new for this channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification basic to high level programming language in PyCharm editor. So friends, thanks for watching and good luck.